welcome back to my channel. I am Curtis91, and if this is your first time, then welcome. I hope you enjoy my channel, you find something here that is useful and that helps you, and I hope you consider to subscribe. So let's get into the plan for this video and some videos to come. So I know my hair looks messy, but all that's good. I'm going to be doing a series of videos on like some cute faux hawk hairstyles for the holidays, and today's gonna be the first video that I do on that, and it will be on the Bun Faux Hawk. So that's what I have for you today, and I'm going to show you how I do it. And if you want to see how it turns out, then just stay for the rest of this video, and I will see you in the next few videos. Okay, let's get into it.